welcome back to my channel. I did this soft kind of glam smoky eye. I don't know what to call it. It's soft for me. It's not black, but it's a brown smoky eye with a kind of nudish lip. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Alright, so I'm starting out with a freshly washed and moisturized face, and I'm going to be filling in my brows with the Makeup Is My Life Cosmetics brow pencil in the shade medium brown. Sorry guys if this is a weird angle for my recording. I did not know that it recorded me so low, if that makes any sense. I'll work on it. I'll get better at it. I promise. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia brow powder in the shade chocolate, and I'm taking the dark brown and going on my outer tail, and the lighter shade and going through the rest of my brow. Now I'm going to be setting my brows with the Benefit 24-hour brow set, and it's going to give my brows a 24-hour waterproof hold and keep my hairs in place. So for under my eyes, I'm going to be using the Jcat eye balm, and you can see it gives a pretty instant difference on smoothing under the eye, and I really like that because that helps your concealer to stay really smooth. So it's like an under eye primer. And for all over the face, I'm using the Benefit Hydrate primer, well, Porefessional Hydrate, so it's going to help to smooth out my pores and also hydrate the skin. And for my lips, I'm using the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme to keep them really plump and smooth. For foundation, we're going to be using the new ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation. And I like it because it's really hydrating. Perfect for the summer because it's really lightweight. And it's a light to medium coverage. You can see I go back in and add more coverage a little bit later on. And I like the color. It's a little more red than my skin, but when I put the yellow concealer, it really balances out with my chest and my neck. For eyeshadow primer, I'm taking my Plouise base in the shade Rumor 3. We're going to take a small amount of that and really make sure to pat that in well and blend it out. For eyeshadow today, we're using the Anastasia and Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette, and we're taking all of the browns and putting those on my eye. I'm starting with the lightest brown shade and blending that in my crease. And I'm making sure to work that up and blend that out. And I love these shadows because they blend so nicely. So pretty. And now I'm going to be taking the darker shade on my lid. Well, the darkest brown shade on my lid. And blending that into my crease as well. I'm really only using the 3 colors. Mixing the 2 lighter browns and then the darker brown. To keep this eyeshadow really soft and pretty. And now I'm taking that gold color on my inner corner, and y'all, in person it was so pretty. And I'm wetting my brush with the Morphe setting spray just to get that maximum kind of foiled look. For concealer, I'm taking the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer and highlighting my face. This concealer is so nice, y'all. I love the coverage on it. And you can see when I start blending it out, it blends so easy. Makes me look so flawless. And I'm using my beauty blender to blend that all in. For cream contour, I'm going in with my Benefit Stick Foundation in the shade number 12. and just kind of sculpting my face. Normally I do more on my forehead, but since my hair is pretty low down right now, I kind of just go in and tap a little bit on my forehead just so I don't get it all in my hair, because that ain't cute. Now for setting powder, I'm using the new Laura Mercier Translucent Honey. And honestly, you guys, I love, love, love this new color of the Laura Mercier powder. It is just so bomb on my skin tone. And to set the rest of my face, I'm using the Urban Decay pressed powder. For bronzer, I'm using the Morphe bronzer in the shade Megastar. I like it because it gives like a nice little warmth, like redness to my cheeks. Because I normally use the Anastasia bronzer, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit this time, keep it real soft. Now I'm just dusting off that bake, and boom, y'all, flawless. Y'all see that? That powder is amazing. Like, it's so pretty. I'm going to be lining my upper lash line with the Anastasia Jet eyeliner, just to give my lashes like a nice little base. And they blend in better. And the lashes I'm using are the Tatti lashes. And the blush is from Frankie Rose. And I wanted to apply my lashes off camera because my eyes were sensitive. And I'm just adding a pencil liner and my waterline and smudging it down to the bottom, just so it gives my eyeshadow at the bottom something better to stick to. And I'm taking more of that dark brown eyeshadow from the Anastasia palette and blending that together. For lip liner, I'm using the Juvias Place lip liner in the shade Kola. And the lipstick I'm going to be using is also from the Juvias Place collection. And that's going to be in the shade 2020. Yeah, the lipstick formula is so smooth. Do y'all see how bomb my lips look? Poppin'. And for highlighter, we're going to be using the Makeup Obsession highlighter in the shade Mega Karma. And do y'all see that glow? Y'all know I love me some highlighter. That's like my favorite part of makeup. Poppin'. And now I'm going to set my face with the Morphe setting spray. And this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to comment.